Hey everyone, this is second part of my MBA journey in the form of storytelling. Today I am going to discuss about my MBA journey. In my previous video I already told you that how can I take admission in my MBA classes from Sikkim Manipal University and how I learned so many things, how I met with so many professionals from different place from different designation from different field, and I just want to add on that part that in this MBA journey, I just want to tell you I never take participate in any event in my whole school days, whole college life. But in my MBA, 2 years in MBA, I have take so many participate in an event also. I just want to tell you I have taken participate in an annual function of my MBA journey, and the song name is Bantan Chali Dekho Wo Jati Re Jati. And that is my best memory. If I am revive my memory, I always remember that when I listen this song before again, and I just revive my all memories that how can I take participate and how can I manage to do dance, because dance is not my profession. So I it's really tough for me, but I manage that time, and that is really very interesting for me, because in my MBA journey I have done everything whatever I have not did any time before, but I try to do something different, and that really helped me to improve myself. I just want to tell you, in my MBA classes, I have learned so many things. Most of important thing that how to improve my communication skills, and what is the thing that is really important if you talking about communication. So if you remember my one video, that is I am talking about verbal and non-verbal communication. That is just because of my MBA classes. I have attended so many MBA classes just because of my MBA degree, and I have learned so many things that how you can manage what is the gesture and posture, what is verbal and non-verbal communication, and how to interact with a customer, how to talk with a customer, what is the way you need to polite, you need to patience if you want to deal with customer. So I learned so many things in my MBA journey, and I am already implement in my business. I have done so many times. I know that how to deal with customer because I have learned, but now it's a practical time, so I have tried so many things, and that really helped me. People are telling me that your dealing with customer is totally different from others. You are very polite and you know how to deal with customer, so that is really helped me. So I whatever I have learned in my MBA classes, I try to implement it, because it is also a business, and MBA also means Master of Business Administration. So this is the best way that you can use your MBA degree in terms of your business. That really help you. So I just want to tell you, if you want to do MBA, you can do it definitely, but I really want to suggest you try to take admission in a regular MBA classes, because that really help you, because that time you have a surety that you got a placement from any reputed company, any brand company. So it is better for you, because my thought is totally different that time. So I have choice to do distance learning MBA program, but I really suggest you, if you want to do MBA and you don't have any job, I just want to suggest you that you have to do it regular MBA course, because that is really help you, because that time you have a surety that company gave you a placement, or you will definitely going to be selected for any job that is suited for you. So if you have any job in before, I mean to say, if you have already are you are doing any job, that time you can take a distance learning program, because you just need a degree. So that really help you. But if apart from that, if you don't have any job and you just need a job after MBA, so I just want to suggest you that you have to do it regular MBA classes. and you have to do it regular MBA. So that is better for you because it show you that you have a confirmed security for your future, and that really help you. So I just want to tell you that my MBA journey is totally very interesting for me. So I learned so many things, and I am always try to implement in my business. That really helped me to improve myself, and that really inspire me. If I have anything, I just try to tell you that you can learn so many things from me. Whatever I have a experience, I just want to share with all of my viewers so they can also learn that what they need to do right, or what they need to escape. They don't need to do it, because in my experience what I have learned, I always try to share with all of you. That's all in this video. I hope that you like my content. If you have any suggestion, give me comment in a comment section. And also, if you like my content, please click the like button, and if you are new, please subscribe my channel, because I always make a video that is really very useful for all of you. That's all in this video. Do take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.